Welcome to Sigma Equipment. Today's cycle test includes a Mettler Toledo SafeLine metal detector. This particular machine is operating on a 208-volt system, 3-phase, with the air requirements set to 70 psi. The speed of the plastic mat top conveyor belt is fixed at 38 meters per minute. This metal detector has an effective height aperture of 3 inches, with the conveyor having a width of 51 inches. Metal detectors are used in production lines as one necessary component in a quality assurance system. The control panel allows for sensitivity adjustments, reject management, and the creation of new product records. Today, we will be cycling 4 different materials through the detector. First is a sample of ferrous metal with a diameter of 3.5 millimeters. The second sample is a non-ferrous metal with a diameter of 3.5 millimeters. The third sample is stainless steel with a diameter of 5 millimeters. And the fourth and final sample is a bag of grains. The product is sent through the in-feed side of the conveyor. If metal is detected in the product, the flat top table will retract, allowing the product to fall below the conveyor into a reject container. If no metal is detected, the flat top table will stay in place and the product will be carried to the end of the conveyor to the next process. To learn more about this metal detector and other equipment, please visit us at sigmaequipment.com.